Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows Hello Pin Remove button grayed out in Windows. First, check if you see the option that says, for improved security, only allow Windows Hello sign-in for Microsoft accounts on this device. To do this, open Settings by pressing Windows and go to Accounts, then Sign-in Options. If you see this option, turn it off, close Settings and open it again. Then go back to the Pin section, and the Remove button should now be clickable. This is the easiest way to fix the problem. If you do not see that option, follow these steps. Open Settings and go to Accounts, then click on your info. Under Related Settings, click on Accounts, then select Manage My Microsoft Account. This will open your Microsoft account in a web browser. Sign in using your Microsoft account email and password. Once signed in, go to the Security tab, then click on Advanced Security Options or Manage How I Sign In. Scroll down until you find the setting called Passwordless Account. If it is turned on, click to turn it off and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the change. Microsoft may ask you to verify your identity during this process. After turning off the Passwordless Account option, restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, open Settings again, go to Accounts, then Sign-in Options. Find the Windows Hello Pin section and click on it. The Remove button should now be available. Click Remove, enter your password, and confirm. This will successfully remove your Windows Hello Pin and allow you to sign in with your password. Thanks for watching.